How to turn on or off Apple advertising personalized ads in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on privacy and security. Now scroll down in last and here you can see the option Apple advertising. Now click on it and here you can see the option personalized ads. If you want to turn on your Apple advertising personalized ads, then simply turn this button on, and if you want to turn off, then simply turn this button off. So this is the way to turn on or off Apple advertising ads in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.